Welcome to another episode of Urban Florida Fishing. My name is Will, and today we're going to be throwing this ripple cicada right here behind me from Chase Baits, and I'm hoping to pull out some really big fish. So stick with me, let's see what we can pull out. Got him right there. Okay, first bass, look at that. First bass on the cicada from Chase Baits. Okay, check this out. Oh, let's go ahead and take him off the hook. Good bass. On the cicada. On the cicada from Chase Baits. First one. Nice. We'll go ahead and release him. Nice little bass. There he goes. Nice bass there. Got him. He's on. He's on. He's on. Yep. Yes, yes, number two right here. Number two on the cicada right here. Look at that. Let's go ahead and release him right here. Ready? There he goes. Okay, we're on number two. Let's see if we can get number three out there. Got him, he's on. Number three. Number three. Number three. Oh my goodness. Number three. Right there, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, I don't want to get hooked, so I'm going to take him off real quickly here. He's flopping around quite a bit. It's a little bit smaller than the last one I caught. Oh yeah, let's bring him for a release. Let's go ahead and release this one. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, yes. Oh, man. Look at that peacock, guys. I just landed a huge peacock. Oh, my God. Look at that. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, guys. Oh, my God. Look at this. Look at that. Huge fish on this cicada. Amazing. Let's just give him a... Oh my goodness, guys. Almost a 4-pound fish. Look at that. That's amazing. Oh my gosh. Look at that fish right there, guys. That is amazing right there. You guys can see that. Look at that. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and put him back. That is by far the biggest peacock I have ever caught. Right there. Okay, here we go. There he... Oh, what was that right there? What was that? on right there with a little one. Little one right here. All right. You told me I was recording. Okay. On that cicada right there. Tiny little one there on the cicada. Let's go ahead and get him off of here. I'm going to have to. And the cicada there from Chase Baits. Okay, bring you guys along for the release. There we go. What's up, man? How's it going?
Good, how about you?
Pretty good.
You can't go behind the people's houses, they call up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, some guy talked to me over there. He was actually offering me water. I don't know if he's the one that called or not, but
I don't. It was some woman over there.
oh, okay. No problem, man. I'm out of here anyways. There's caught a little one in there, so.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. There was an alligator in the one over there.
A big one?
It was about 15 feet.
Holy shit! Did they take it out?
Yeah, not yet. You got to make like an appointment. Like getting them to come is hard.
Where is it at?
It's at the other lake somewhere. I can't see it. They said it was coming up to people's doors and then it went back into the lake in the middle of the night.
Damn. Yeah. No. Normally, my rule of thumb is if I can't see the bank, I don't get.
Oh yeah.
I don't get close. But if I can see the bank, I'm okay. You know, because you can see them sneaking up on you. But if I can't see the bank, man, I back up.
Yeah,
I'm backing up. Yeah. Yeah. I apologize. I didn't mean to cause any trouble. I have a huge fishing channel, so I'm just trying to get content from my fishing channel. You know.
Ah, all right, man.
On TikTok, so it's pretty good, man. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. I know this pond you can fish, right? There's no regulations to
As long
that.
as you don't go behind the houses, it's good. Like over there, it's fine. That's the library.
Yeah.
Like,
All right, man. Thank you. I appreciate it, brother. Have a great day. There we go. Got him. There he is. First one of the day, guys. God, we should have came here from the beginning. We should have just came here from the beginning here. There he is. There we go. On the worm there. We're gonna put him back right away. That didn't take long, huh? That didn't take long. There we go. On the worm here. We're gonna release him. Not a bad fish there. There he goes. Another big bass right there. Look at that. See if he takes it. Got him. Got him. Got him right there. Look at that. Another one. All right. Second one of the day. I got him on the Guggen Squad worm right there. Check him out. Really skinny. Let's go ahead and release him. There's another one, right? Two right there. See that? Three bass right there. We're gonna release him. And we're gonna catch those other two. You see that? I need a hog mat. Oh, I'm on right. Oh, I'm on right there. Oh my God, that thing just touched the water and he just demolished it. As soon as he touched the water, oh my gosh. Look at that.
I hope I got that on purpose.
You weren't paying attention, you weren't.
Because we were walking.
What were you doing?
Walking.
Oh jeez.
Probably good.
On the Guggen Squad worm. There we go. Look at that. As soon as it hit the water, he dashed right there. Let's go ahead and bring him in for the release. And there he goes. As soon as it hit the water, he destroyed it, guys. He destroyed it. As always, everyone, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can be updated every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.